Let me see how to assemble the universal coupling in ProE. Open ProE. Go to File, in that New. Here we have an option Assembly. Deselect Use Default Template and then give OK. Once again you give OK. Here we have an option, that is add component to the assembly. You click on it, go to your file where you have saved the part drawing. These are the parts of universal coupling. I'm going to open first part of universal coupling. Open. This is fork. Then give applies. Once again I am going to click on it. I'm going to add next component, that is fork. Here we have datum planes. It may be confused. Look here, all the buttons were selected. Now I'm going to deselect datum plane and then datum points and then coordinate system and then turn off 3D. All the buttons have deselected. Now you can see the clear picture. I'm going to select this datum axis line and then this line. After that you select the surface of center block and then bottom of the fork. Then you select rigid, give applies. Once again I am going to select this button, add component to the assembly. I'm going to insert same part, that is fork. This is for match with this center block. So I'm going to select this axis line and then this axis line. Here one option, that is flip, and then select this surface and then instead of this fork exactly match with this center block. Select rigid, then give applies. Once again I am going to add some other part of universal coupling, that is not this one. Pin. Actually in this pin we are going to insert in this hole. So we have to select this axis line and then this axis line, but head is reversed, so we want to rotate that pin. So here we have an option, flip axis constraint, then flip the component, select this surface and then this surface. Then we have to connect with the collar here. So next component we are going to add this collar, select this component, this axis line and then this axis line. Now you can see the component half of the portion instead of this fork, so we want to move out. So select this surface and then this surface. Now select inside of this surface. Go to placement and then move the component. Delete align. Once again delete. Then the automatic has come. Now you can select inside of this surface, then you can select outside of the fork and then give applies. Once again I am going to select that part of pin for this hole, select this axis line and then this axis line and flip it, then select this surface and then out of this surface, applies, and then I'm going to insert the collar for this pin. So you select this axis line, then this axis line. Here you can see one option, the translate. You press the first button and then you can move in the axis, left hand side and to right hand side. Click and close that command and then you can select inside of this surface and then outside of this surface. That's all. This is the universal coupling assembly. If you have a component of a shaft and then taper pin, you can insert here. This is the universal coupling of assembly. Thank you. God bless you.